welcome back to our channel. It's Natalie,
प्रियंका
Why?
लोग का बिल्डिंग का पूजा आने वाला है।
मैंने बोला एक्चुअली वो बट
हीरोइन घर में
फिलहाल मैगी बन रही है।
So, news. Just realized that it's been a year since we started this channel today. So, happy anniversary to our channel. We are doing how much are we compatible? How much do we know about each other? How same do we think? So we need to check this out today. I'm still speaking in English. इतना जानते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में because we have been friends for almost 10 years now. So I think very well hope so we know each other. It is our anniversary. Not of our friendship, but of the YouTube channel. The friendship we don't know. We don't know when we were friends. I just cannot go to the memory lane of mine and remember which date did we start becoming friends. Because I don't remember. I don't even remember how we became friends. We don't know. It was just like we started playing together, and all of a sudden it was a thing. And I don't even remember the day she started playing with me. I'm going to be asking her questions. I'm going to do half of them. She's going to do half of them, and we are going to. It's going to be half my perspective, half her perspective. So we are going to start with easy ones because we'll be starting it. So, what is my favorite color? And I know you should know this. I know you know it. I know you know
Seeing
it. If we think the same. If we're thinking the same. Even if it's not the right answer, if we're thinking the same, it counts. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3.
It's green. Sorry.
You can see
ये बहुत easy था.
it was the most easiest question ever because everybody knows my favorite color is green. Next. Oh, the second one is too easy because I legit die over that food. It's my comfort food and it's Maggie. Everybody knows. I am obsessed.
ये बोलना जरूरी था क्या?
Because I'm not asking that question because it's very basic. Color से थोड़ा confused भी होता है इंसान. I know and everybody knows I'm obsessed with Maggie. My mom just told me not to eat it anymore. So second question we're going to take my dream travel destination, and this I can't spell. I like everything. I can't spell it. I'm gonna get trolled if I not spell
एक
this
मिनट.
right.
इंडिया में कि
I don't like going outside India. I don't have a dream destination outside India. It's in India, and I've discussed this multiple times.
Oh, I know.
I don't know the spelling. I don't know the spelling. So 1, 2, 3. It's what?
कश्मीर लिखा है but right नहीं है.
It's not right. It's Cherrapunji. That's what I'm saying. I don't know the spelling. Girl, how many goddamn times have I talked about
हम
going
लोग
to
ने
Cherrapunji?
future plan भी बनाए थे वहाँ जाने पे. जाने
Exactly.
के लिए I mean.
कि we were going to go there together anytime we get. I want to go to
तो देखो
Cherrapunji.
कश्मीर क्यों याद है?
I said I can't go to Kashmir anymore because of the allergy I started having. I said I can't. My favorite TV show. Girl, you don't know this. How can you know it?
तो कहाँ टीवी देखती है?
Oh, okay, sorry.
ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है.
Is it a double D or a single D? I don't know, but
Double.
Okay, fine.
मैं पहले आंसर बता दी हूँ.
Aladdin. I swear, if Aladdin नाम तो सुना होगा. I like the movie and I like the show as well. I like both of them. I loved that thing. I rewatch it every single goddamn day. I'm making her rewatch. I'm making her watch it now.
एक महीने में मैंने 17 एपिसोड देखे.
No, we have reached 20. 20 पहुंच गए अपन. But 20 out of how many? 572. So we are on a roll, guys.
2 साल में कंप्लीट कर लूंगी. Don't worry.
Exactly. We're gonna finish it in 2 years. It took me only 3 months to finish the whole show, and it's concerning. And I've rewatched that thing lots of times. So it's okay. Ooh, it's my favorite song right now. I have an answer for this because right now I'm obsessed with the song. So I don't know. What do you like?
Like Jenny.
It is like Jenny. I wrote like Jenny as well. I'm obsessed with that song right now. Next question. What's my favorite holiday? Celebration मतलब जो हम लोग बनाते हैं. Do you actually know it? Because I don't think I've ever talked about it. This is my favorite. I never say this is my favorite, but I have a favorite.
कभी बोला नहीं मेरे को तूने.
Because we never talk about it कि ये मेरा favorite है, ये मेरा favorite. I don't talk about it, but I do like one more than others. I enjoy all festivals, but this one more. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
मैंने छठ पूजा लिखा है.
And I wrote, oh my god, it's so clear. I wrote Holi because I enjoy Holi more. Of course, Chhat Puja I like. It's a 3-day thing and I enjoy it a lot. But if you say more fun wise, I have more fun on Holi. I look forward to Holi. I look forward to Chhat Puja also, but it's more because of family meet hota hai isliye, not more because of the puja, but it's okay. What is my biggest fear? It's very easy. What is my biggest fear? It is easy.
एक मिनट.
I have a fear. I legit have a big fear. You're out of frame. You're out of frame, sweetheart. You're out of frame.
ओके रुक जा. मैं बताऊंगी.
I know you wrote it right, but it's some other time.
हाँ डॉग. हैंडराइटिंग थोड़ी खराब है बट ठीक है.
It's dog. I am deathly scared of dog.
कुत्ता मिल जाए वो मेरे को सब पकड़ के चिपक के ऐसा चलती है ना उसको
I
देखने
change my
जैसा है.
directions and I do it very conscious because I'm so scared of
और
dogs.
मेरे को फेंकती है कुत्ते के सामने.
I don't. I'm trying to hide behind you. I'm not actually throwing it
चल
to the
झूठी.
dog.
ये कैसे
Oh
फेंक.
come on! I'm just very scared of dogs. I have trauma from dogs. I don't like dogs. It's not like I don't find them cute. I find them cute from far. Stay away from me. Stay the heck away from me. I don't want you near me. I like looking at you, but no. I don't want the dogs near me. I'm very scared of dogs. What is the one thing or let's say channel that I am obsessed with right now? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to spell this either, but it's okay.
एक मिनट. अरे ये कैसा क्वेश्चन था.
I have been obsessed with it. I keep showing it to you. I keep on and repeat showing it to you.
वो ट्रिपलेट्स.
You were supposed to write it down. Oh
अरे
yeah.
मेरे को नहीं उनका चैनल का नाम मेरे को सच में नहीं मालूम है. बट
It's
इनको
the
मालूम
Sun
है.
Yolo triplets. I have been
हाँ, वही.
obsessed with them. I've been watching it.
मेरे को मालूम था तो मेरे को चैनल का नाम नहीं पता.
I keep showing her. I keep showing everybody. I've been obsessed with the channels. Pick a number between 1 to 10.
1
To 10. Write it. She says 1 because it's my. I believe it's my lucky number, but no, I'm not writing 1 right now. 1 to 10 number. This shows actual compatibility because right now she can never know what I'm actually going to write thought of. It's not the same. I wrote 6 and she wrote 7.
मैंने 7 लिखा.
I wrote 6. It's got nothing to do with me. It had to be just
Random.
on top of my head what I would think. One word that describes me the most. So even I don't know this because how would I know it? One word that I don't have an answer for this.
ये इतना इजी तेरे को पढ़ने नहीं
A
है.
dancer. She's written dancer. Okay. Dancer. The word that describes me, dancer. I dance everywhere. I dance wherever I can. How much ever I can. I can dance all I want. I'm a big dance lover, so dance. Okay, it's very basic. What am I a night owl or a morning person?
कितना इजी था. रॉन्ग है बट हाँ.
Apparently, we're both dyslexic. We can't spell.
वही.
It's night owl. I can actually wake up till it's the morning, and I don't care. But you cannot wake me up in the morning to go somewhere early. We go to yoga every day in the morning
ये सोती कितने बजे मालूम है. 3 4
on daily basis.
उसको कॉलेज जाना होता है.
3.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Only 3. उसके आगे नहीं जाता है. Because I'm scared after because I have this problem that I'll start overthinking that something watching me or something happening.
मैं इसके घर पे भूत बन के आऊंगी सुबह 4 बजे. रात के 4 बजे.
I won't be awake क्योंकि I make sure कि right before 3 it hits 3 o'clock I'm to bed. Now before I didn't used to be like that. Because she keeps showing me wait. It's because she keeps showing me movies which scare the living heck out of me. So I am scared to fall asleep at night now because if I stay awake, I could stay awake all the time, but now I can't do it because she scared me so much. I start overthinking and I need to sleep.
अभी एक और मूवी दिखानी बाकी है.
Oh, come on. So bhaiya intervention.
It's only a basic question.
You got to speak up. You're not going to be
Yeah,
heard.
yeah,
in this.
obviously. You both like dancing, singing,
Yeah.
literature.
Did you not know?
By the way,
Dancing.
I hope so.
Dancing,
I hope
dancing,
so. Like,
okay?
by the way,
About dancing, she's lazy
this
to
is
dance.
a
She likes dancing,
this
lazy
is
to
a
dance.
video about compatibility, and when I start saying common things and you both listen to each other, wonderful. Okay, let it be aside. 5 different names of different people, celebrities or anything. What's the name? BTS shouldn't be a part of it.
Okay, because that was going to be very easy. We were just going to list all the BTS members and it was BTS done.
Okay,
Any
कोई
5
random?
celebrities?
Any fact celebrity or anybody?
एक minute.
Bollywood.
Bollywood?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay,
You have
मतलब
to think about what Maithili would like. You have to think, like, okay?
okay, एक दूसरे का.
Yeah.
Okay, तो मेरा सोच.
Yeah, that's how it knows how compatible.
Exactly, you're still getting the video wrong.
1,000 years later.
Actress की actor.
Actress, because actors I don't think will like the same people. Not at all. We are best friends but have very different tastes. Okay. I think the main basic ones which we always discuss ki these people are nice. Usually we discuss. So I am going to write all those. हो गया? Okay. Okay, Alia is same.
Okay.
Alia is same one. What else?
यामी गौतम, जानवी कपूर, श्रद्धा कपूर, आलिया भट्ट.
अभी
काजोल,
नई एक तो
आलिया,
नई
दीपिका.
शर्वरी I wrote Kajol, I wrote Deepika and I wrote Kareena.
एक ही right है.
My mom suggested we would like her future partner to have roti kapda makan, the basic 3 needs of a human being. The main roti, kapda and makan. Next, the personality trait, 3 things you would like. I'm still repeating, we have very different tastes. So it can we can be different. It doesn't have to be same.
मतलब मुझे मेरे बारे में लिखने को.
मेरे बारे में just 3 things you would like a future partner to have.
Okay, okay.
Yes, 3 things. Is something I really need because I'm very weird. Okay.
It's possessive, caring and loving. Okay, अब मेरे को कुछ आया नहीं.
Caring was same because even I wrote caring, but first thing I wrote was understanding because I'm very hard person to understand. I have a sarcastic humor. I have a very different way of speaking. I speak very loud. You need to understand that too. And sometimes I act like a baby. So you need to understand me too. Last thing I wrote was funny because again vibe match honi chahiye. I have a different sense of humor. I can't say what kind of humor because even I'll get cancelled. So I can't say that. But I have very different humor and I need it to match. So now your questions. Huh? She wrote possessive, caring and loving. So possessive not same. I am very possessive. वो भी possessive होगा तो it's going to be a problem. So not possessive. So with her also let's start with the basic. What's your favorite color?
चलेगा. What's my favorite color?
It's very
बहुत
simple.
easy था
It's
ये.
very simple. She's wearing it right now.
Black.
It's black.
वही.
You shouldn't have to write that down. I know it on the top of my head.
मेरा comfort food क्या?
I'm going to write this, but if she doesn't write it, I'm going to kill her.
ये बहुत easy था, ठीक है?
Because sometimes I say that, but she doesn't say it. But that's what she eats all the time. But one time I think we did this before when we were doing that. क्या बोलते हैं? The other person was listening to music, and when you were saying that, we did this before, and I said the same thing, and she said something else. So it's pani puri.
नहीं.
Oh my god, I swear to God, that's the only thing she's saying.
और तूने last time में पानी पूरी ही बोला था.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
तो क्या खाने में हर बार में पानी पूरी थोड़ी ना खाएगी.
But comfort food, pav bhaji. I know you wrote pav bhaji, but that's
मैंने
not.
तो बोला भी था.
No, I know you said, but you eat pav bhaji. You don't eat pav bhaji as much as you eat pani puri. That's comfort food. Every time you want to,
नहीं है.
every time you want to eat something, you are like pani puri खाने जाते हैं.
ठीक है, दोनों ही चलेगा मेरे को.
It's fine. It's fine. Guys, I'm gonna take the defeat. It's okay. Next time I'm gonna guess pav bhaji. It's fine.
Okay, song कौन सा है फिलहाल? मैंने तेरे को बताया था, और मैंने तेरे को बोला भी था कि तू सुनना.
Coffee is here.
तेरे को बोला था.
Your favorite song right now? I don't remember.
मैंने तेरे को बोला था कि मेरा फेवरेट है, तू भी सुन, तेरे को अच्छा लगेगा. बॉलीवुड है यार.
Bollywood है.
हाँ, मैंने तेरे को बोला था बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग है. अभी याद होना चाहिए। मेरे को तेरा याद था, ठीक है।
सुनवाया नहीं है इसने मेरे को ये गाना।
ओहो, मैंने को सुना। अरे हाँ, तूने सुना हुआ है वो सॉन्ग? ऐसे कैसे नहीं सुना?
सुना हो, आई डोंट नो बट यू डिडंट टेल।
आशिक तेरा। होश बातों का अक्सर नहीं था।
क्या सॉन्ग का?
आशिक तेरा।
You have not told me this.
मैंने
You
बोला
have
है,
not
मैंने
never
बोला
said
है
this.
तेरे को।
नहीं बोला है। I mean it, नहीं बोला है।
अरे इधर ही सोफे पे बैठ के मैंने तेरे को बोला था ब्रो।
You say that about lots of things. Every song we scroll, she's like ये बहुत अच्छा तुझे सुनना चाहिए, ये बहुत अच्छा तुझे सुनना चाहिए। हाँ मैं समझ
मैंने
रही
तेरे को
हूँ।
बोला था कि अभी मेरा ये फेवरेट सॉन्ग है। मेरा वो जो मैंने सिंगिंग किया था उसको कट कर देना, बहुत गंदा मैंने गाया था।
I'll do that, but
कर देना।
हाँ माता, I'm going to make it the intro of the video.
ऐसा 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 ऐसी दोस्ती धोखा हुआ है।
Apparently, I don't know her as good as she knows me. This makes me look like a very bad friend, you know.
तू है।
Oh come on!
ऐसा कैसा नहीं याद तेरे को?
And because you don't listen to it every day.
I do.
Not in front of me.
ये है बाकी।
How am I supposed to know what you listen to at your house? The fuck?
मैं फिर ऊपर ही रहती हूँ, कभी सुन लेने का कान लगा के ऐसा ऊपर
And not
वाली
in a
तरफ।
million years would I have guessed that answer. Not in a million years. I'm not even joking. 5 million years later. Bro.
ओके, मेरा फेवरेट मूवी कौन सा है? You should know this.
I should not know this. You watch too many goddamn movies and you've never in my recollection of memory have you ever told me what is your favorite movie.
मैं बहुत सारी मूवी देखती हूँ by the way।
Exactly. She listens to all the songs you could ever possibly think of. She watches all the movies you could ever possibly think of. How am I supposed to know? And she never. I rant a lot. I talk a lot. She doesn't. So if I like something, I keep on talking about it, and she does it. So how am I supposed to know? It still sounds like I'm a very bad friend. Okay.
As she is, okay?
I'm just more of a talker than she is. Okay. It's not a problem.
ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा होगा मेरा? बताया है मैंने तेरे को।
I know.
अभी
you've
अभी
told
अभी
me.
अभी तूने बोला, तूने मेरे को नहीं बताया, तू बोल बस। ऐसे
I
मुंह
know
पे
you've
मुक्का
told
मारूंगी
me.
मैं तेरे को।
I know you have told it to me.
तूने मेरे को बोला भी था, क्यों?
I know. I remember where we have talked about this. We have talked about this near garden. We were walking around and we have talked about it. The same day I told her I wanted to go to Cherrapunji. I don't remember now. Okay. I'm just gonna guess because we thought of two destinations. One she said, one I said.
हाँ वही।
What she said, I'm gonna write.
गलत लिखा ना, मैं इसलिए तो गई मेरे हाथों से।
Okay. You might find me dead after this video. Wait, let me try to think about it. Wait, let me try to think about it. If it's not Kashmir.
No,
So what is it? Wait, Switzerland?
इंडिया में।
Okay, India में. Wait, let me think about it.
सोच तू सोच।
इसका भाई तो नहीं है?
किसका भाई? नहीं, उसका भाई नहीं है वो।
मनाली?
मैंने मनाली का नाम
You
तक नहीं
said
लिया
some
जिंदगी।
snowy place.
नहीं
You didn't say some snowy place.
नहीं, तूने मेरे को डाटा भी था कि तेरे को वो प्लेस पे क्यों जाना है, इतना हॉट रहेगा फिर।
या राजस्थान?
राजस्थान में कौन सा है?
पैलेस जयपुर.
हाँ, ये सच में मेरी दोस्त नहीं है।
Wait. The day we had that conversation,
मैंने क्या बोला था कि हम दोनों साथ में कश्मीर जाएंगे, क्योंकि एक मिनट, बट मेरा फेवरेट तो उदयपुर ही है। जयपुर। मैंने कभी नहीं बोला मेरा कश्मीर फेवरेट है, बट ऐसा है कि हाँ बस एक बार जाना है, snow देखना है
जब हम
मेरे को
लोग ने
बस,
बात की थी
basically।
ना वो, तब मुझे वो कॉन्वर्सेशन याद है खाली, और उसने मुझे
क्योंकि
बोला
मेरे
था
को
कि
एक बार स्नो
कश्मीर.
देखना है, तो मैंने सोचा कि हम लोग कश्मीर जाएंगे, बट वो मेरा फेवरेट नहीं है। ठीक है, ये मेरी फ्रेंड नहीं है। ये वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद मेरे
that she's indecisive, guys. It's not me. I swear. Believe me. It's not me.
हाँ, ये भी है कि मैं कुछ बोलती नहीं हूँ अपने बारे में, तो इसको नहीं मालूम है।
That
ठीक
just
है।
sounds like I'm a very bad friend.
बट उसमें
You
तेरा
do talk about it.
समटाइम्स या
You're gonna carry off the video now because I don't let you speak enough. You're going to do the video now. You know, all those vlogs I've shooted, everything is just me talking because nobody gives an input. We were talking. The moment I whip out a camera, they all just zip their mouths. How do I get content? 1 out of 3.
सेलिब्रिटी क्रश, ये बहुत इजी था, अगर ये भी नहीं है मैं मार
It's the
देंगे इसको।
Bollywood one. हाँ तो I know this. I know this.
है, सरनेम
ये
नहीं आएगा,
नाम
चलेगा।
नहीं मेरे को याद है बिकॉज दूसरा भी है विजय. See, I know the other one too. See, it's because ये नाम याद करने में मुझे इतना टाइम लगा था ना because but it's been constant. It's been the same for years now. हम लोग बहुत पहले भी खेलते थे तो it still was this only. It was
मैंने उसकी एक मूवी भी दिखाई है।
हाँ तुमने एक से ज्यादा Vijay Devarkonda and I said it because I had to write the surname because it's also Vijay Thalapathy.
विजय सेतुपति भी है,
हाँ
तीन
सेतुपति
विजय
विजय
विजय।
है तो I that's why her surname was necessary but I know. See, I'm not a bad friend. Normal things I know, but things she's confused about, how am I supposed to know? Song was very confusing, okay? You have to agree with this. Even movie. Every movie you come to me, it's very nice, it's very good, you should watch it. तुझे देखना चाहिए bro, इतना मस्त है ना. Every single movie she says that, how am I supposed to know which one is her favorite?
मेरा फेवरेट के ड्रामा कौन सा है?
Oh my
है
god.
मैंने वो बहुत पहले का है, नॉट बहुत पहले का, बट हाँ पहले का है।
Okay, see, I'm gonna write this because she was obsessed while watching this, and I remember she didn't live in the house here. You lived in the house there when you were watching this, and she used to tell me every day, "It's very nice. I love watching it. You should watch it. You should watch it. You should watch it." Now, if I write this wrong again, it's going to be
ये
bad.
पिटेगी, गरम गरम कॉफी इसके मुंह पे होगी।
Okay,
पहले कह देगा
it's Goblin. I know.
Thanks.
Harsh. You know the
बच
song
गई।
from Goblin? I love that song. I love that song.
ऐसी जगह जहाँ मुझे कभी भी कहीं भी मतलब कभी भी लेके जाओ मैं जाऊंगी, ऐसा मेरा फेवरेट प्लेस ऐसा।
She be asking me questions like this, I swear.
यू नो तूने इसमें इसलिए मेरे को चिल्लाया भी है।
मैं बहुत चिल्लाती हूँ.
ये चीज के लिए तो तूने मेरे को बहुत चिल्लाया कि हर बार वहां क्यों जाना है।
Okay, fine.
ऐसा मारे ना कान पट्टी के नीचे में
Every
देखो।
single time she says कि we need to go there. We need to go there, but every single time I'm like, why do you want to go to the same place? Because I've been there ever since I was little, continuously. So I'm sick of the place. Not much, but
इसको
little.
याद है फिर ठीक है।
I pointed at the painting because this painting was taken from there. Inspiration. This painting is made by me, by the way. Watch that video, guys. It's on my channel. It's somewhere on the channel. Anyways, so the place is zoo.
मुझे
Every
बहुत
single
पसंद है।
time, when we are like, if I tell her हम लोग zoo जाए,
लाइक चलो
let's go. Every single time.
मेरे को ना एक बार आधी रात को जाना है, लाइक क्या
I
सही लगेगा ना।
know. They will let you go though.
ओके
Next question.
सॉरी, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा मैं क्या पूछूं। मेरे को मेरे बारे में सच में कुछ नहीं पता, मेरे को क्या पसंद है, मैं क्या करती हूँ।
जनरल नॉर्मल जो हम लोग नॉर्मल बातें करते हैं उसमें से कुछ पूछ, क्योंकि शी इज गोइंग टू आस्क मी थिंग्स शी डज एट हर होम एंड आई एम नॉट विद हर, सो आई एम supposed to guess. Because usually we don't watch movie together, and whenever she wants me to watch something, she'll make a list and she'll tell all of those movies are good.
देख अभी तो मेरे को इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है,
Hmm.
पर अगर मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं बनती तो मुझे क्या बनना था?
You said you wanted to be a mehendi designer.
She never.
That's what I'm saying. You've told me this. See, who has a bad memory now?
Okay,
I can tell you where you told me that right outside at this
मैंने
corner here
बोला
on the
ना मेरे को
floor.
सीखना होगा, मेरे को
हाँ, हाँ.
बनने का कोई शौक नहीं है।
नहीं, you said you wanted to become.
Service, not like this. अभी hint दे दिया।
क्या?
कोई सर्विस वाली जॉब
Aerospace बनना था तुझे?
नहीं।
तो?
क्या गया था?
You wanted to become a police officer?
Yes.
You never said that. But she has on multiple occasions since we were little told me different things she wanted to become. So I'm still confused. Because the first thing she told me, I can tell you where she said it. Outside in the corridor. We were all discussing what we want to become when we grow up, and she's like, "ना right now ना मुझे बहुत interest है मेहंदी सीखने में," is what you said.
सीखने में।
I know. But you never gave me a full plan because right now we are not studying to what we talked about right now. We're not planning to study about that either. So I speak a lot.
सच में अभी हम मिलते हैं 2-3 सालों के बाद, मेरे को क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा, बैठी बैठी हेल्प नहीं करेगी।
अरे see, we usually when we are together, we know so much about each other कि आजकल के दिन में we don't sit and talk to each other about each other usually. We talk about something we are watching.
वही
We've been together for too long. We don't actually talk about each other too much now.
एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं
क्या?
मेरे बर्थडे में क्या दे रही है मेरे को
Wow.
क्या दे रही
Gift reveal, no, I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you what I'm giving you.
प्रश्न कुकर
What?
अरे वो सामने दिख गया मेरे को
नहीं. I've not planned it honestly.
कुकर क्यों देंगे बट तो भी ठीक
Why would I give you a cooker? If I'm putting that much money, why would I give you a cooker?
वही
Out of all things, no one's laughing inside. Why would I give you a cooker out of all things? Why would I give you a cooker?
अरे क्या पूछूं मैं
Let's do this question because Mama told to do it. Three things we would want to change in the society. We can agree on this because we actually talk about it a lot.
एक मिनट
We got talk about it
वो
a
आंटी
lot.
लोगों के चोचले जो शॉर्ट्स पहन के जा रही है थोड़ा रिवीलिंग है
Mind your own business, auntie. Even I don't like your outfit.
आपको
Mind your own
ये
business.
ये दिखता है क्या आंटी कमल सॉरी
All I'm
और
saying is
वो
mind your own business.
और वो जो पैसे वाले लोग होते हैं जो थोड़े पुअर लोगों को ऐसा वो बोलते हैं ना
Show off. Second thing we want
Basically.
is about the mentality.
वही
Not all people who are rich have that attitude. Some people are good, but if you have money, who cares?
वही
You have a very bad attitude. We don't like you in any way.
वही
So what's good with that money, huh? And the third thing we would like to change in the society. I
कि
have
हमको
lots-
कम ना समझे ठीक है ऐसा मतलब मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा कि तू ही पढ़ के क्या ही कर लेगी घर में सब कमाए तो रहे तेरे को क्या पढ़ने की जरूरत है तेरा पति कमाएगा घर पे बर्तन कर मेरे को सच में बहुत लोगों ने बोला है सीरियसली
No, but because I don't listen to it. As you know, I'm not a listener. I'm more of a talker. So I don't let people tell me that.
बट नहीं एक्चुअली मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला है
And to my answer to that is, who the heck are you to tell me what I can or
Who the
cannot do?
heck
Are you to tell me what I can or cannot do? My life is my life. I control it. And people, I hate when youngsters take this the wrong way. Like my life is my life. I can do whatever, and then you ruin your life. You should have let your parents control your life. Then you could have had a better life. Like if you are choosing your own life, choose something good. If you're not able to do something good, do whatever your parents are telling you to do because it will be better. You live a better life. What accent was that?
आंटी
What else? Let's do something. Let's do something now to celebrate
व्हाट
1 year anniversary for the channel. As 1 year of our channel.
एक बना
I really want to cook a cake right now.
देखा
I
देखा
can, but that has to be a different video. This video is already too goddamn long.
एक साल हो गए बहन
Yes. हमारा celebration भी like. Oh my god.
मैंने कितना लीजिए कि हम कुछ करेंगे नहीं
Yes.
बहन एक साल हो गया हमको वीडियो बनाते हुए
Yay! 1 साल हो गया.
अब विशिंग की और एक साल में फेम मिल जाए
Okay, yeah, that. हमने और 1 साल चले हमने नहीं. I'm planning for more. I'm planning for hell more. I'm planning to do this till I die.
नेक्स्ट ईयर थोड़ा फेम मिल जाए
Alright,
मतलब
guys, so that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're bored, it's okay. Because we did make a very hella long of a video. But it's okay. Yeah. So happy anniversary to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.
बाय
हेलो गाइस प्रियंका जी ने प्रूव कर दिया है कि वो किचन में पैर नहीं रखती है क्योंकि मुझे रवा का मैंने रेसिपी देखा था जिससे आप उसके क्रंची बॉल्स बनाते हो खाने के लिए मुझे इस माता ने दलिया दिया है अभी ये दलिया का हम लोग पकौड़ा कैसा बना रहे हैं उसका प्रोसेस देखा जाए क्योंकि ओरिजिनल रेसिपी में पानी में बिना भूजे पानी में सीधा रवा डाल के उसको मिलाने का उसमें पोटैटो डालने का थोड़ा सा कॉर्नफ्लेक्स डालने का फ्राई अभी ये चीज़ दलिया के साथ कर रहे हैं दलिया कैसा काम करता है आई एक्चुअली डोंट नो। एक तो हम लोग मक्के का आटा नहीं यूज़ करते, मक्के कॉर्नफ्लावर ना, हम लोग कॉर्नफ्लावर नहीं यूज़ करते। तो अभी इसका कैसा बनेगा विल सी, टेस्ट करने के बाद। आई डोंट रियली थिंक अच्छा बनेगा बट विल सी। सो गाइस बन तो रहा है, अभी टेस्ट कैसा है वो हम देखेंगे। इट्स ओके, it tastes similar to the original thing, not the same, similar, but I also think it's because of the chawal ka atta and not makai ka atta. That also is a difference. But I don't think I taste the dalia right now.
नाइस। अगर कोई काम करना हो तो मेरे से टिप्स ले लेना, आई एम फ्री।
We have enjoyed our first YouTube anniversary by failing at cooking something. Let's go.